Hey everyone, today I'm going to go over how to remove the center speakers on the F60 MINI Countryman ranging from 2017 to 2024, equipped with the Harman Kardon sound system. The only tools you will need here are a trim tool, preferably one with a hook, and a T20 screwdriver. Now let's examine the first piece. On the sides, there are these two little tabs on each side that seem to secure this under this edge. Then in the back and front, there are these metal clips that also seem to hold this piece in place with their shape in these holes. And lastly, I just want to mention that there is this lip going around the whole piece that could be used to pry. Knowing this information, let's get started. You can pry the edge as I just mentioned, and I've seen some people do, but that may leave some indentation in your dash, so just take some precautions there. I just found it easiest to pull it straight up using the hook to grab one of the side vents. Whichever method you choose, I would just do one corner at a time so that you're just fighting the resistance of one clip at a time. Once you free one corner, just move on to the next. When you free two clips, you probably have enough room to just use your hands now, so just pop the last two clips out. Now that you have the cover off, removing the speakers themselves is easy. Just unscrew the 5 screws, 2 on the smaller tweeter and 3 on the mid. Once unscrewed, lift up the mid to find the 2 connections. One you will find going into the car, and the other is a connection from the tweeter to the mid. To unplug them, I just gave them a wiggle and a pull. That's all there is to it. When you're ready to put it all back together, just do the reverse. Plug the wires back in, screw the speakers back on, line up the speaker grill, and press it down. I hope that this video helped you, and thanks for watching.